Hello, so in this video we're going to look at rearranging straight line equations so that we can find the gradient and the y-intercept. You should already know all about the y equals mx plus c equation, where the m is the gradient and the c is the y-intercept. But straight line equations aren't always written in this nice form. Sometimes we have to do some rearranging first. These are actually all the same straight line, but only the y equals 2x plus 5 format easily tells us that the gradient is 2 and the y-intercept is 5. So what's the gradient of this straight line? Rearrange the equation into the y equals mx plus c form, pause the video, work it out and click play when you're ready to check. Did you rearrange to get y equals 3x plus 8? So the gradient is 3. So here's 2 questions for you to do. Pause the video, answer the questions and click play when you're ready to check. How did you do? So I'm sure you've already sussed that rearranging into the y equals mx plus c form is much easier for plotting. For this equation, we'd have to use a table of values, substitute in different x values to get the coordinates, and then plot each coordinate, which is really slow. Whereas, in this form, we straight away know that the gradient is 2/3 and the y-intercept is 2. So on our graph, we can start at 2, and then using gradient equals rise over run, we know that for every 3 we go along, we go up 2, much faster. So there we have rearranging straight lines algebraically. We just need to recognise that any equation with an x and a y will be a diagonal straight line. And it might also have a c number too. And we may want to rearrange into the y equals mx plus c form, as it's much easier for finding the gradient and the y-intercept.